One family owned 1954 Chevrolet truck. The father gave it to the son. The son called me up in his 80s. He said he can't drive it anymore because it didn't have power steering. Other than it's been repainted one time, it's just a nice old original truck. It's still 6 volt. We just put a new battery in it. The battery's located in the floor here. I guess they could consider this a 5-window coupe. Half ton. The truck, you can take it and drive it, take it to shows, enjoy it on weekends. It's the original 6-cylinder. Still has the floor-mounted starter button. Show you how easy it cranks. It had a radio to it. Whether it plays or not, I do not know. I guess the mileage around 110,000. All the gauges seem to work. Lights work. Wipers work off vacuum. So you got to be going down the road with some vacuum on it. Sun visors. No broke glass. Front windshield is tinted. Evidently that one has been replaced.